Hello, Vivi.
Are you still in bed?
For where I'm awake. What's up?
So what of your guy?
What? Oh, please. Not on his life.
What happened? Didn't he satisfy you?
Babes, you can say that again. This one is nothing more than a 1-minute man.
Bad market. Anyway, mine wasn't that bad at all. You know, he took me there twice.
Wow, lucky you. That's relatively better. Anyways, it's time to say goodbye. Call up Empress.
Yeah, alright.
Hey, get up.
What?
What do you mean, what? I said get up.
I'm tired, man.
Look at this idiot. My friend, get up and get your things and get out of here. Get up! I said go. What's up? Hey, I'm not going to ask you nicely again. Just pick up your clothes. Okay, don't worry. I can help you do that. Get going. Pick it up and just leave. Don't let me push you. Hey, hey! Hey, don't forget this. Hold up.
Babe, you don't have to send me out like this. Okay? I mean, this is not the right way to end it. I would like us to be friends, okay? We could do this some other time.
Oh no. So sorry to disappoint you, darling. But you know, there will never be a next time. I mean, you only do it once and that's it. Hey girls, what's going on here? Nothing unusual, babe. Hey, listen up guys. Listen up. Be careful. Oh, thank you, babes. Okay, I am just going to give all of you a piece of advice. Next time you find such a beautiful opportunity, don't let it slip by. I mean, look at these 3 gorgeous ladies giving themselves to you for free all through the night. It's a very rare opportunity. Now, you spent the whole night with us, and obviously you were unable to satisfy your animalistic desires. Too bad. That is all your fault. I mean, it all boils down to your incompetence. So, guys, this is where we draw the curtain. So, bye-bye.
I don't understand these girls.
Oh, you don't understand. You know what, dear? Let me break it down for you. You never met us. I mean, we never met, okay? Whatever that happened last night remains in the past. You know, the pleasure thing, huh? It's a past moment of pleasure. Okay? You understand now? Okay. So, guys, it's time to say goodbye. Okay. Move it. Move it. But we enjoyed it though. Bye.
Hi babes. Mira, what's up? Do you have a minute?
What for?
I mean, can I have a minute of your privacy?
If you have anything to say it here.
I'm Tito by name, so...
Tito, the pimp. The pimp, right?
For real. Wow, I never knew I'd become this popular on this campus, girls.
Oh, please. Notorious, you mean?
Yeah, that's the right word.
Well, it's all good. See, Miriam, a money back friend of mine came into town from Poland, and this guy is loaded. Do you understand? And he has spent 2 good nights in dryness. You know what it's like now, no sweet potato to warm the night up with. And today, babe, he has decided to get free himself from the shackles. And you know what? It'll be good for him tonight. Believe me, for the pay, he's gonna pay good. You get?
Wait, who? Who are you referring to?
Miriam. Me? Miriam, of course you know.
Tito, or whatever it is you call yourself. What did I say to you the last time you came to me with this your lousy proposal?
Miriam, listen. You only said you were not into married men. But believe me, this guy is not married. He's just free.
Listen to me, listen. Tito, for the last time, my amiable friends and I do not sleep with men for money. You know why? Because we've got too much to throw around. Enough to feed you and your friend for a lifetime. 2, men don't choose us. We choose our men. Okay? As a matter of fact, Tito, what she is trying to say is that we are not candidates for your practice. So buzz off, get out of here.
Listen, guy. See, there are so many girls on this campus with gluttonous appetite. I'm sure they'll make business easier for you.
Hey, hey. That's it, okay? Get going.
But the skin shot harder, it's and my dealer. Get the thing that they touch me for brain. He was it. You must take care of my grace. Anytime I see you on the grace, anytime I see you something good in it.
What is this? Are you crazy? Who is crazy? What are you going to do about it, huh? If you say one more word, I will slap you the second time.
I will beat you.
What is this? What is that? Crazy? What is this idiot had the guts to touch my breast?
You do know what you did. Please.
This is what you did. Am I lying? Please. It's nonsense. Please.
You were there.
The young man said he only wanted to ask you for a glass of drink.
Mom, that's a lie. That Jack lied to you and you believed him. God, I can't believe this. It was deliberate, Mommy. He tried to touch my boobs. Vivian and Empress saw everything. It's true, man.
Even then, you're not supposed to slap him. I've told you severally, Mira. A woman is not supposed to be violent. You should learn to control your temper. That young man could have beaten you up if it was somewhere else. And look at it. You have marred my celebration.
My dear, that's okay, that's enough. We shouldn't crucify her because of her mistake. It's done. And I've always told you that Mira is still a baby.
There you go again. I don't like it when you make excuses for her wrongs. Mira is above 18. And that makes her responsible for every action of hers.
For heaven's sake, woman, if she's above 18, must we crucify her? Must we kill her? Huh? Is she not our daughter? For goodness sake, is she not our daughter?
Is that right? It's okay.
Take it easy. You're going to hurt me.
Mira, show your friends to the guest room.
Okay,
All right?
Daddy, we are going back to school tomorrow morning.
Well, you need some money. Okay, I'll issue a check for 200,000. Okay. I'll make it 250. Would that be okay?
Thanks, Dad.
Well, look me up in the morning and I pay up the check.
Okay.
All right, first thing.
Okay, girls, let's go. Okay.
Good night. Honey, welcome back. How was the day?
Fine. What are you doing here?
I'm looking at this bill. It's like the paints are beginning to wear off so soon. Huh?
Honey, the paints are not wearing off. Let us paint the other house. Leave this for now.
Okay, if you say so.
You didn't go out today?
I did. I even held a meeting with the state party chairman.
About your candidature?
You know what? 2 people have also indicated interest for the same senatorial seat.
Oh.
The former governor and the outgoing Senator Martins.
Oh. It's going to be tough then. What are your chances?
Well, going by my discussion with the party chairman, my chances are very bright, I must say. And then we must, at that point, make some joyful noise unto the Lord.
Psalm 100.
That's what I believe in absolutely.
Praise God.
Hallelujah.
Anyway, that's a step forward.
Yeah.
Let's hope and pray.
Amen.
That reminds me, your son called from Canada.
Emmanuel?
Yes.
I hope he's doing fine.
Yes. And guess what?
What?
He just bought a house.
That's really splendid. Emmanuel's been quite impressive.
Yes.
It's just that he doesn't call me. I don't know for what reason.
Honey, that sounds like the voice of a jealous father.
Oh, come on. I mean, after all, Mirabelle is always there calling me every now and then.
So it's balanced. Your daughter keeps in touch, my son keeps in touch.
You want to make it a draw?
It's a draw.
All right.
Amano. Yes. You would help me with Dr. Okeke's assignments. I don't think I can make it to school tomorrow. Is everything okay? All right, no problem. Have you eaten today?
No. But I'll eat when I get home.
Amano, you are broke, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Oh, God. Goodness, will you ever change? Why is it so hard for you to ask for something when you need it? What are friends for? You help me with my academics, you help me at home. How else am I supposed to show appreciation? Mira.
For how long am I going to keep bothering you with my problems? Eh? I can't keep doing that forever. You've already done enough for me and my poor mother.
Look, spare me that, okay? If I don't do it for you, who will do it? What are friends for? Here, go and eat now. Make sure you come by the house later and pick up some money for your upkeep. Okay? Anytime.
Hey, Larry, how you doing? Long time, where have you been?
Everywhere, nowhere.
It's been a while.
So, how are you?
I'm okay, oh. Yeah.
Listen, I came back to say thank you for the other day. You're an angel.
It was nothing. But you're welcome. I can see you fully adapted with the system. Everything is okay.
There's a lecture around the corner. I have to run.
Okay.
See you around, eh?
Yeah.
All right. Come on, I'll see you later, okay? Alright. I gotta go. I got stuff to do. Later. Make sure you come by the house. And hey, eat something.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Mira. I never meant to barge in on you like I did. I'm sorry about that.
What was that your name again?
Emeka.
Emeka?
Yes, Emeka.
The last time you came to me, what did I say to you? I told you that you should never, ever come close to me, that I don't want to see you around me. I can never go out with you.
Actually, that's not what I have come to talk about. Please, can I buy you a lunch? Yes, just a lunch.
You buy me lunch?
It's not a gimmick. I swear. Just following my mind. Mira, don't say no to everything.
I think we should sit here, right? Yeah. What a day. What a great lunch. Waiter! Really thirsty. Sure. Yeah, happy. Yeah. Can I have 2 portions of salad with 2 pieces of snail?
Yeah, do you have chips and mango and pineapple?
Yes.
Let me have that and a piece of meat pie, yeah.
Okay. And don't be that guy. Just leave all this kind of
Somebody talking to the guy, I was like, Andre, sometimes when you're only to you, man.
Hi, girl.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, I'm fine. Your baby, all right?
Yes, I am. How may I help you?
Oh, yeah. I mean, what a lucky day. Baby, actually, I've been looking for you all this while. But you're nowhere to be found. I'm so happy to see you again. I mean, can't you remember me? Baby, I'm Matthew. We met 3 weeks ago at the cinema.
I'm sorry, I can't remember that.
What? But we clicked, you know?
Clicked?
Oh, yeah. I mean, we kind of agreed. Later, we'll spend the night together at Liberty City, if you can remember.
We did?
Oh, sure.
Good for you then.
I mean, what's funny?
Hello? Excuse us, please.
Okay, no problem. You see, I'm sorry if I really embarrassed you, you know. But it's just that I'm so happy to have seen you again. After a very long time. No problem. But baby, hope you don't mind you give me a number so that I can call you some other time.
Excuse me, you heard me, right? I came here to have lunch. So excuse me, are you deaf?
Alright, no problem. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, ladies. No problem. See you.
Honestly, I don't really understand some guys. They're so dumb, you know? I don't know what gives them this. I mean, that we communicate that we click three and say, go to the cinema. Who's talking about the past? Nobody.
Don't bother, okay? I will take the meals. Put everything on me, okay? You guys, I'm sorry. You can feel free and take whatever it is you want and just put the bill on me. You see, my boyfriend here happens to be celebrating his birthday today. So for that reason, we have decided to, you know, share it with anybody that comes around. So, I hope you guys will let us take care of the bills. Alright. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, come on and order whatever you want. Alright. Thank you. You're welcome. Bye. Go ahead. You sure you don't want anything?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Let me have a bottle of water. He will take care of the bills. Speedy, I'll be out.
Funny, it was the
Hey, boyfriend. Hello. Hi. I don't die, God.
What's in Mira? You are mean.
Darling, am I mean?
Mean.
This guy was trying to impress me. I want him now. Do you know? All I just tried to do was, a little humanitarian service.
Okay.
So I decided to involve other people. Yeah. Even the Bible recommends charity. Come
you
on.
know what I'm saying, man. Serves him right.
Do you know what? I heard he had only 2,000 naira. So the security made him to drop his phone. I don't know if they took his shirt, but I wish they collected even his shoes. Next time when he sees me, before they say rap, he will say, serves him right.
They were even lenient enough not to have stripped him naked.
Guy!
Can you imagine? There he comes.
Please,
Oh, this is yours?
Who is he? Wow. I said, come on for me. I'll be with you.
Finally up. Thank God.
I had a long day yesterday.
Yeah.
Amano.
Yeah.
What about that guy the other time we were together at the faculty? There was this dude you were talking to.
Guy. Where? When?
At the faculty, of course. You greeted him by one Yoruba name like that, I don't know.
Oh, okay, Lanre.
Lanre. That's his name?
Yes. Okay, what about him?
Nothing, just a bit curious. I mean, it just crossed my mind and I'm wondering, like, is that your boyfriend?
Mira, you and I know I don't skip boyfriends.
Oh, okay. I remember what you keep are boy enemies, or maybe men friends.
Mira, you and I know I don't have a boyfriend. I don't keep one.
Oh, okay. I forgot that you keep boy enemies, isn't it?
That's not what I mean. I know that.
Right.
That's not what I mean.
Okay, fine. Just tell me everything about him.
Well, what do I know about him? He's new on campus. He came in through direct entry. I helped him during his registrations, and since then we've been friends. That's all.
Is that all?
Yeah. No, but I learned his parents are rich.
Oh, please. Mona, you know that's not my area of interest.
Oh, sorry. Wait, come on, Mira. Seems you like him. Mira. You don't want to tell me, Abby?
There is nothing to tell.
You finally tell me. You know.
Come on, I hope you didn't take out the DVD I put in here.
I think I did. Sorry.
You don't know how to operate these things, I've told you, so stop fiddling with them.
Yes, madam.
I know you don't remember me, do you?
I'm afraid not. But hey, such a pretty face.
Thanks. Well, my name is Mira. I'm a final year student of geology.
Larry, second year, geology.
Are you serious?
Absolutely.
No way. You mean you're in my department and I haven't seen you all this while?
No, that's explicable. I did my first year somewhere else and I came here on a D.
I see. So, how are you finding it?
It's tough. But here I'm tougher. I'll ride through. Just give me a little time.
Okay. I'm wondering if you're not busy. I could buy you lunch or something. Or maybe show you around town.
That sounds like a hard idea. You know what? Let's do this.
Hello. Oh, hi. Larry, let's go.
Listen, I'm in the middle of something.
Let's go.
Okay, hold your horses. Listen, hard idea, but I have to go, I'm afraid.
Who does she even think she is? It is not the fact that she took the guy that annoyed me. You needed to see the manner at which she did it. Oh Jesus, I have never been so embarrassed in my life.
And what could possibly be her problem?
What else? Jealousy, of course.
Hey, Unilag babes. Come to think of it, Mira. I mean, what's so special about this Larry guy? I've never heard you talk about a guy the way you do. Or are you sure that it's not more than having just a piece of the action?
For Christ's sake, what are you insinuating? Love? Of course you know me better than that. I don't believe in that crap.
A lot of people have said that before, and they end up falling victim of it.
Empress, that's enough. Let's talk about something else. I don't want to get upset.
Please, I'm sorry. I won't talk about it again, okay? I won't.
Hello, guys.
What's up, babes?
Guess what? We are partying tomorrow.
Wow! And where's the venue?
BI.
And who is the host?
You know Calvin in my department. His younger brother, who just signed up a 4-year contract to the tune of £12 million with a Spanish club.
Oh my God!
Think about it.
And for what, babe? So what are we waiting for? We have to get ready, Come on! Man, it's so boring. I can't wait to go shake off some things, man.
My dear Jerry. What's on a cook now?
Join me now.
Who cooked this one? Yeah, I'm just coming in.
I don't get time for that kitchen, you know.
What is wrong with you girls?
All she does is eat, feed herself with junk, biscuit and juice.
I beg you. Oh.
Join me if you want.
Anything when you do for this life, my brother, not for your head, though. This one not true story, oh. They mountains into my head. Anyhow, when you request the call, I saw the people, they my mental, oh. If you get the money, you know getting. I saw some people go the best say. If you talk, you know talk, they go say you too talk, make you just take jolly, they go. Them mama, them papa, make you hear me, well, hey.
Guess what I just saw? It's Larry. Wow. He's sitting right over there. He's here? That's your golden opportunity. Go ahead, girl. You can say that again. Now get in, I'll meet you. Good luck. Come on, guys. Hi.
Mira.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. So what? You know anyone here? I mean, you know the celebrant?
Oh yeah. We grew up around the same neighborhood.
Wow, that's fantastic. I actually know a friend of mine who knows the celebrant's brother. You know that kind of thing. So that's why I'm here.
Larry, come. Tony's around.
Who's Tony?
Come first, come.
Wait, my treat. I'll be right back.
Everybody wanna fire mama and papa, the people they wanna go fire.
Who was that girl? That's the little twat I've been telling you about. That's how she does. She just walks into a place and just takes him away like that. That was so rude of her. God. There she goes. Give me a minute.
do them. Some people them sit down for corner, they criticize you. That's why fire go on them. All them baggers when they plan make a fall, they go see me, they go up higher. Anyhow where you be, make you know say Baba got there for your side. Make una.
Hey, come here, excuse me. Yes? Didn't your brother teach you any manners at all? I beg your pardon. You beg my pardon. I can tell you're a very stupid girl. Who are you? You don't know who I am, right? You must have spotted this way. Now the next time you try to tell me, sorry, I don't know what you're talking about. Let's go here and talk. What's going on here? Just get out of here fast! I did not mean to push her that hard. I did not mean to push her that hard. I don't even know what came over me. That was what I have done. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Mira, you have to be strong.
What are you talking about? Don't you understand? I murdered somebody for Christ's sake. Can't you get it?
Mira, it's okay. It was in self-defense. We're not sure if the girl died or it's alive. So stop it. Put yourself together and stop crying, please.
God. My mommy warned me. My mommy warned me. She warned me about my temperament. Now look at where this landed me. I just killed somebody. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Mira, it's okay. It's alright. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. Right? You're just getting yourself all worked up, all for nothing. Put yourself together, please. It's alright.
I killed somebody. Don't you understand? I have murdered someone. I am a murderer. That's what I have become. I just killed somebody. Oh God. Oh.
Mira. It's okay, look. But I want you. It's okay. Just stop this. Vivian, you just know how to put yourself together. That's exactly what I am doing. I'm trying my best here. It's okay.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Mira.
Hey girls, what's up? What's going on?
Oh no. So this girl finally died.
Mira, it's your mom. Hey, talk to her. Come on, pick it up.
Hello. Hello. Yes, mommy. I'm fine, thank you. Yes, we are all fine.
My friends and I, yeah, we are all in the house. Alright. Thank you. I'm alright, Mom. I'm fine. Alright. Bye.
So what? What did she say?
She's read the news. She called to find out if we were alright.
Oh my God. Did you girls read this paper? That girl was actually Lanre's sister and not the girlfriend. Are you serious? Yes, I am. Look. Let me see through. Oh no. This is oh my God. Jeez. So what's going to happen? Should we report the matter to the police? What for? What is wrong with you? Did you understand the paper? That the girl's death still remains a mystery, which means there is no suspect.
Can you imagine to report it to the police?
I mean, do you girls think that keeping this thing to ourselves is the safest idea? Oh yes, girl, it is. Okay? We can't turn ourselves in. Besides, the police investigation will just go on for a while and everything will be forgotten.
I'm finished. I'm finished. What did I do?
Hey girl, it's okay.
No, it's not. It's not.
Put yourself together. What is wrong with you?
Can't.
Calm down.
I killed her.
Hey, it's okay.
I didn't mean it.
It's okay, alright? It's alright.
No, I can't. I killed her.
It's okay. What is it? What is wrong with you? Why have you chosen to punish yourself unnecessarily? All for nothing. For the past 2 days, you have not tested a thing. What do you hope to achieve from all this? Or do you think you can reverse the case? God, you're beginning to piss me off. Mira, please eat your food. I mean, you punished yourself enough. Just look at how emaciated you've made yourself. Seriously, I don't like this, so eat your food. What is it?
I'm not hungry.
Why are you doing this to yourself, Mira? Please eat your food. I don't like this.
Please now, hurry. I'm tired of standing under this sun. Please.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
What's up?
I'm good.
Listen, it looks like you could use a little ride, huh?
No, not really. You know, my car broke down and my mechanic has gone to test run it.
Oh.
It's been fixed, yeah. He'll soon be here. Thanks all the same.
Hey, always glad to help, okay?
Have we met?
You know, I was thinking the exact same thing. You're awfully familiar.
Are you a student?
Yeah, Unilag.
Yes, I thought as much. I know I've seen the face before. Wow, I'm a student too. I'm in Unilag.
Okay.
The name is Vivian.
Alarawaju.
Okay,
Nice to meet you. Absolutely, my pleasure. And you're a very beautiful woman.
Oh, thank you. You too.
All right, you be safe now, okay?
Okay then. Bye. Tell me, where are you?
Oh, hey, what's up, babe? Hi, girls. What's up with the car?
Fixed.
Oh. You look flagged out.
Under the scorching sun, I should.
Oh, then you need a cold bath.
Yeah, I know that.
It's yourself.
Lest I forget, Mira. I think I met your guy today.
My guy?
Larry.
Where?
When my car stopped, you know, he offered me a ride, but I declined.
Why?
Because I'd already sent for my mechanic.
What else did you discuss with him?
Nothing much, girl. Just introduction. He seems a nice guy, girl.
Play now. What?
Today of all days that I've got so much to do. Hi, Daddy. Yeah, good morning. I'm fine, Dad. Daddy, there's no problem. It's just the car. I mean, it has refused to start. Yes, I don't know what to do now. Oh, okay. All right. Thank you, Daddy. I love you too. Bye.
Who, your dad?
My dad.
What is he saying?
He said I should wait. He's going to send the mechanic over, but babes, I've got lectures.
Oh, that means you're staying back.
No, we'll get a cab or something. I have to get to school.
Okay, okay.
Are you girls still here? Yes, Mira's car is bad. What's wrong with it? What's that? Oh God, this is really funny. Yesterday was mine, today's is Mira's. Maybe this is what this season is all about. Anyway, are you going to school now? Are you ready to leave? Okay, let's just go in your car then. You girls should just hop in. Okay. Bring out the key from the ignition. Okay. But you girls should be very fast because I have an important meeting to attend to, okay? Empress, please, can you just help us with the gate? Please. Oh, okay. Please be fast. Oh, so girls, what's gonna happen? My lecture ends by 2 o'clock, so
Same as mine.
Mine is for 1 p.m. So boils down, I'm gonna wait for you guys.
That means you have to wait, or we have to wait. Whichever way, but go together.
Oh, yeah.
Forget.
But
More like
you
another
yes.
yes. I look like a driver.
Oh, hi, Larry.
Hey, how you doing?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Oh, wow.
And you?
Great.
So nice to see you.
Same here. Always sexy.
Thank you.
All right, what are you doing around physical sciences? Are you here?
Yeah. I'm in my final statistics.
Wow. Well, I'm in geology.
Oh, okay. Good.
I don't mean to pry, but what's a beautiful woman doing here sitting all alone?
Well, I'm waiting for my friends so that we could go home together.
How long is this wait?
Less than 60 minutes.
1 hour.
Yeah, I promised them that I was gonna wait.
Well, I hate to see a beautiful woman suffer, so I'm here for the rescue. There's a joint around the corner. We'll crack a couple of cold ones and wait for a while, and once your friend buzz you, I'll bring you back. Come on. What do you have to lose?
All right.
Okay. Let's go. Hey, I got that.
No, let me just...
Dialing the number.
I'm still trying. Going through. Here, look up.
It's Lanre.
Come on, you're blushing. What? Stop it. You and this your Larry guy. Oh, I'm so sorry, girl. Come on, cheer up. I'm sorry I kept you guys waiting. Sorry. Come on, let's go. Okay? I said I'm sorry. Let's go.
Let's go. See, let's go when we get home. I mean, we can sort this out. Mira, please. There's no time.
I should have seen it coming. I should have known this all this wrong. I should have known that you were jealous of me. I should have known that you had eyes all over him. And that you were cowardly enough not to say it.
Oh, Mira, calm down. I mean, we could talk this over.
There is nothing to talk over, Empress. Didn't you witness everything she did? Didn't you see how she shamelessly threw herself at him? Enough of all that, Mira. What is wrong with you? You've been raving and ranting right from the car. What's come over you? I
should be asking you that question. What has come over you, Vivian? You know everything I went through because of Lambre, yet you had the effrontery to take your stinking self to him, and you sit and you tell me what has come over. Hold it there, Miva. I said, hold it right there! You are taking this too far and you know it. Vivian, and what are you going to do about it? Huh? What are you going to do about it, eh? Beat me up. Oh, Mira, please stop! You're taking this too far. I mean, you've got to stop! Mira, you have just touched me at a very bad spot. And I bet you, I would drink life to the lees. And there is nothing you would do about it. Really? Vivian, listen. I am waiting for you. Do you understand? I am waiting right here for you. Look at this tact. Mira, please. I will deal with you. God, you are nothing but just a toothless bulldog and I will finish you. It's going to be a fight to finish. Nonsense. Mira, you're taking this too far. Just do it again. You witness everything so you don't even say a word to me. Do you understand? Mira, what has come over you? I mean, why are you girls fighting yourselves? I said that's enough! Enough! Seriously, I'm just disappointed. Oh, you don't talk to me again and I'm not kidding about it. You don't! You're taking this too. Shut the fuck up! Okay. Okay. Nonsense. We shall see.
Honey, you're not done yet?
I'm almost there.
I can see you're busy. What about Mirabelle's car? Has it been fixed?
Yes. It's just that the mechanic said the engine will have to be worked upon.
Engine? That must be serious then.
I don't think so. She can still make use of it for some time.
Okay. I'll leave you. I can see you're still very busy.
I just need to finish up with this because I must submit it tomorrow. Very important.
Okay then. I just came to say good night.
Good night, my dear.
Alright then. Good night.
Hey, baby.
So, what's going on?
Damn, you look hot.
Thank you. So, shall we?
Yeah, please.
Here we go.
Okay.
What are the flowers for?
Oh, there's... You know, I shared the same birthday date with my late baby sister. And we used to buy each other flowers and go out and have fun. Yeah. Now she's gone, I was thinking maybe I should keep up with the tradition. Buy it for both of us and go lay it on our grave and stay shut through.
Accept my condolence. I'm so sorry about that.
So but hey, you're supposed to be saying happy birthday. That's in the past.
Okay. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So hey, you want to hang with me today? At least cover up my grounds and...
No.
No, you don't?
I'm game.
Okay, baby, let's hit the road, huh? We just stop by our grave and say short way.
Alright then.
And what are you doing today? Open the gate! Silly idiot.
Is there a problem? What's wrong with her?
None that I know of. Maybe she woke up on the wrong side of the bed, as usual.
Now, wow. Anyway, the computer packages. You weren't there the day it was taught.
Oh my God, you've said that like 1,001 times. What is it? Please.
What have I done now?
Mira!
Mira! Mira!
Hey, babes.
What are you doing? My sister. I'm not in friend school with her now.
What of Vivian? I thought both of you went out together.
Yeah. She dropped me at the gate and drove off. She said she's sleeping out.
Mira, I think you girls should make up. Never. However she wants it, I will give it to her. You don't expect me to make the first move. She betrayed me. I don't think so, Mira. The problem was mere misinterpretation. Look, I don't care what you call it. All I know is that Vivian must apologize to me. Mira, the way you girls are talking, I mean, you guys might just end up mortal enemies. I'm really afraid. Let me tell you something. I promise you, Empress. I promise you that Mira is not going to slack. Hell no. I'm equal to this task. Once.
Yeah, who goes there? Ah, here comes my jewel.
Good day.
My paragon of beauty.
Yes, Daddy.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Good, good, yes. I can see you are also happy today.
Yes.
So, why don't you get something from the fridge to invigorate yourself?
Okay, sir.
Oh my God.
So Dad, how does work?
Very well, very well. I can see your daddy is in a very, very hilarious mood. I'm indeed very happy today.
Okay.
Very, very excited, I must say. It has happened.
Yes,
It has happened. At last.
What?
I have been declared the flag bearer of a great party.
Oh my God, Daddy.
Yes. Moreover, this geopolitical zone produces the next Senate President. That also makes your daddy the next Senate President of the Federal Republic. And just for your ears, the national executive of my great party has thrown its weight behind me.
Oh my God, Daddy, look, Daddy, oh my God, this is amazing. Wow, Daddy, I'm so happy for you. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, my dear. Thank you, my dear.
You're welcome, Daddy.
Yes.
Okay, so what are we waiting for? Let's just pop some champagne, celebrate.
Well, not yet, until I take you around town on a drive. Meanwhile, sit down and finish the drink. Don't be in a hurry.
Senate President.
Yes, that's your daddy. Senator Graham. Senator Graham.
That's what you mean.
Yes,
You deserve it.
Yes, let me tidy up myself so that we can...
Okay. Daddy, Mommy will be so happy to hear this.
Of course she will. celebration starts right here. Yes. And they are going home with a new car.
Oh my God, Daddy, thank you, Daddy. Thank you.
Yes. So you make a choice. Yes. I guess you are the cardinal, right? Yes. All right.
So which of the cards do you want?
Let's see which one you will choose.
But you were so adorable, Dad. I love you.
My dear, I love you too. I really do. Amira, I want to ask you for a favor. I hope you'll oblige me.
Daddy, anything for you.
I want to promise me that everything I told you earlier in the day as regards my achievements and expectations in politics will remain confidential.
I promise.
And I also want you to promise me that you will curtail your extravagant and carefree attitude, because that is capable of bringing my enemies, my political enemies, close to me, to get at me and run a scandal, which may not go well for me. Therefore, you have to learn to to live solitary life on campus. I know it's going to be difficult, but you have to do that for me, please. No more friends. Be they male or female, I will make sure I get you accommodation elsewhere.
Dad, I only have 2 friends which you know about, Vivian and Empress. And they are quite nice girls, you know?
Yes. I know your friends. I know them too well. But the situation on ground demands that you have to stay alone this time around. In fact, you have to be incommunicado until the elections are over. Unless you want your daddy's dream of becoming the next Senate president thwarted and shattered.
Oh, Dad, please. Of course you know I will not want that. Okay. Don't worry.
So,
I won't let your dreams die.
that's my baby. Mira, just help me, right? By adhering strictly to these instructions. Stay away from anything that will bring about scandal, no matter what. Alright?
I'll try.
Please, my dear. Eat your food.
It's just that it's going to be hard. Living alone, boring.
You like the food?
Mm-hmm.
What's up, sexy?
Hi, good morning.
What's up?
Hi.
Hey, what's up?
So what are you doing standing here all by yourself?
I'm waiting for my friend to come out. She's going to be here any minute. Oh, Malfa, here she comes.
Hello, baby.
What's up?
I'm good. And Empress, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Good. Come on, love, let's go.
Alright.
No, seriously, I've not been there before, but my mom is from there. I'm shocked. I'm very shocked. How can really? Why? Seriously. I'm from too.
What's up, you girls?
Mira,
how are you this morning?
I'm alright. Good morning, Mira.
Good morning.
What's up?
I'm sorry, man. I was still sleeping when you came in. How's your mom?
No, she's fine. She sent her regards.
Wow. I appreciate it. Is there anything I can help you guys with?
What? You?
What do you mean, what's me? Am I not a human being?
Please stop joking.
Look at this girl, so. Please tell me what to help you with. Look, I want to work. I've got hands. Come on.
Are you serious?
Oh my God.
Okay, then please help us rinse the clothes and spread them on the line.
That's when you're talking. Hey. You guys are making me feel like one lazy girl. Look at that.
See my friend.
What is wrong with you?
Hey.
She's actually I'm full of surprises. She's actually what's wrong with you? I'll try it out.
I'm shocked. No, second time. I am seriously.
This my friend is surprising me as they break. New things I should don't feel all the time.
Something's not telling us. Something's happening we don't know about.
Seriously.
Oh my God.
See you.
Should I give me that box?
Okay. Let me have it. How's everybody? Oh. Hello, girls.
I hope you're back now.
Not really. As a matter of fact, I came over to pick up a few clothes of mine. You know, Larry and I are going for a party tomorrow. Do you want to join us?
No, thanks.
Okay then, let me just go pack my things.
You dared me, Mira.
Mira, you did this to my sister. No, I'll take it away.
Vivian, you should have done something. Will you shut up?
Excuse me, stop this when they get to station, they discuss it. Bring her in.
Begin good.
you alright?
Yes, I'm fine. Empress, I have taken a cognitive appraisal at the feud between Vivian and I. And I have come to the submission that it is not called for.
What a wonderful construction. I mean, this shows that Chief Graham is not paying your fees in vain. Please, Mrs. Wale Soyinka, talk to me in simple English.
You must be silly, Empress. You know, what I'm trying to say is this. This thing between Vivian and I, you know, I don't think it's necessary. You know, as the saying goes, two wrongs don't make it right. So I want to end it.
Wow! That's my girl! I'm so happy to hear this. Oh, come on.
I knew you were about to hear that. What about Vivian? Do you think she'll be ready for a reconciliation?
Of course she will. I'll call her first thing tomorrow morning and then I'll talk to her.
Wow. Alright, then let's meet at Caesars by 7 p.m. You know, just sit down and celebrate. Union, you know how we do now. No, my treat. I'm hosting. Everything on me.
Seriously, I'm so excited. Come on, sis. Keep me a hug again.
It's alright. Come, we're all grown-ups, you know.
That's so thoughtful of you.
Stop flattering me.
Okay then, let's go to bed.
Alright, I'll be up there.
So babes, for accepting to bury your differences and rekindling the fire of friendship that burns amongst the three of us, I say thank you, Mira. Thank you, Vivian.
Come on, it's okay. So, let's make a toast. Now to a happy reunion.
Alright.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. And to a better understanding and trust. Cheers to that.
To us.
Waiter, please come. I'd like to have a plate of chicken pepper soup.
Same here. Honestly, I don't feel like chewing anything.
Come on, Vivian. Not on a day like this.
Remember, whatever we do, we do together.
Okay. Before you guys stab me to death, a part of the chicken will do.
Oh my gosh. What a day. I'm so excited.
Man. I hope you're coming home with us today.
No. I have to go back to my family house and pack my things so as to move back to the house tomorrow.
Your family house?
Yeah, that's where I've been.
We both thought you
moved in with Larry.
Yeah.
Hell no. You see, Larry stays with his family. As a matter of fact, we never dated. I was never close to him as I made it look like. Everything I did it just to spite Mira. But anyway, all of that is now in the past. The most important thing right now is that we're back together. Yeah? Come on, let's toast to friends forever. Come on, Mira.
A toast, of course.
Yeah.
Come on, why not?
Toast. Friends forever.
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers.
And for love. So babes, we have to go now.
Oh yeah, sure.
Alright then.
Okay. Take the lead. Of course now.
some other documents found in her car, but I'm sorry, every effort was so aborted.
Look, doctor, all we want to know, we want to be sure that it is our own Vivian.
No problem.
Let's just go and see her.
You can come with me.
So make that sound. Where are you going with the bag?
I'm going home. I'm going to see my parents.
You mean you want to go back to Port Harcourt?
Yes. I can't stay here anymore. I can't.
Look, I understand. Look, it's not a good idea. It's barely 10 days to our degree exams. You can afford to go back home.
I know, Mira. But I can't stay in this house without thinking or feeling Vivian's presence everywhere. It's really hurting. It is. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Why don't we go to my parents' place? I mean, we could be there for some days. So that way we could still easily get to school instead of going home. It's not easy for me too. But we have to be strong, you know, for each other.
Why, Vivian? Why, Vivian? Why, Vivian? Just like that? All of a sudden, Vivian. Why, Vivian?
I can't believe it either.
Oh my God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Why, Vivian? So good.
Just relax, I'm sure we'll be alright. Okay? I'm here for you. And it's going to be very hard for me as well, you know? It's just
Vivian! God! Oh my God!
It's alright.
Oh, it's alright. Oh, God.
It's okay.
Vivian.
It's alright.
You just have to take it easy. Empress, take it easy, right? I know it's not easy to lose a very close friend. But it has happened in the heart.
Oh.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Are you okay? Sorry, okay? I hope her parents have been notified.
Yes, the hospital did that already.
Okay. Alright. It's okay, just take it easy. Empress.
Mommy.
Just take it easy, okay? It has happened, there's nothing we can do about it. We just have to accept it. Okay? Okay. It's alright.
Well, I had this meeting with the deputy governor. I won't be long. In about an hour to be over. So we should start going.
Thank you. We'll be back soon, okay?
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
a murderer. I was only consumed by emotions. I mean, Larry is the only guy that I have ever fallen in love with. Yet anytime I try to get close to him, an obstacle springs up. Apart from jealousy, I also saw Vivian as a risk to my father's political ambition. Yes. But I love Vivian. I love Vivian. I love Empress too. I love my friends. I love my family more. I love my parents. I love my parents. And oh God, I still love Ladbrand. Yes. I still love him. I still love him. Mira, are you alright? I mean, you've been behaving strange of late. Okay, let's go to sleep.
These Hollywood people will not kill us.
Come on, look at this.
She's done a boob job. Now, look at her before she did the boob job. And this is after the boob job. Yet she's denying it when it's so obvious that she's done it.
Oh my God, I like it. Oh, for this.
It looks nice.
How do you want it? Seriously, it's really creative, madam.
What is good about the afternoon? Where is the food now?
Madam, food will soon be ready.
Please, go and make sure it's ready now. I'm hungry.
Very hungry.
Oh. Okay, come and see.
What again?
Look, this is a nose job. Oh. And this is before she did the nose job. Hold on. Hey, Hollywood people. Hello. Yes, this is Mira. What for? Okay. All right.
Who's that?
Said his name is Inspector Bello. That we are needed at Central Police Station for questioning over Vivian's death. What for?
Anyway, there's nothing to get scared of. The police are merely doing their job.
Daddy, I don't want to go to the station.
Okay. Supposing I go with you people, would that be okay?
What is it they want to ask us?
No, it's a normal police routine function. Maybe to find out one or two things from you guys. Anyway, get dressed up while I pick something from the room. Alright?
From the report we gathered, Vivian was last seen in the company of both of you. Is that true?
Yes, sir. Yes, we were in the restaurant together.
What time was that and for how long?
About 7 p.m. to about 8:30 p.m.
I see. Empress.
Sir.
I presume you guys were drinking. What kind of drink did you take?
We took red wine and brandy, but mostly red wine.
Mostly red wine. How about meat?
Mira and I took 2 plates of chicken pepper soup, while Vivian took chicken pat.
What's the name of the restaurant?
It is called Caesar's Place.
Caesar's Place. That'll be all for now, ladies. And Chief, Thank you very much for your patience.
You're welcome, Inspector. Please, next time, don't you ever invite my daughter to a place like this for interrogation. If need be, come to my house and conduct it.
That's okay, Chief. Once again.
Officer.
You are aware of 3 female UNILAG students who came here to drink, and one of them died in a ghastly motor accident on her way home.
Yeah. 3 of them are regulars here.
Good. See, the autopsy report indicates that she must have been poisoned barely an hour before that accident. And that leaves us to the summation that she must have been poisoned while still here.
Excuse me, officer, excuse me. Are you trying to imply that we are responsible?
Not absolutely, manager. You see, we are here to seek your help. You know your workers. Just to help us find out in your own way if any of them was compromised.
See, officer, you see, I have been in this hotel business for more than 25 years now. I know my workers. It's not possible. Such a thing cannot happen here. It's not possible.
Manager, nothing is impossible. Everybody has a price. Are you following what I'm saying? You see, we have not drawn our conclusions yet. But then we are not trying to leave any stone unturned. So in that case, do we have your support?
Okay. Thank you. In that case, this is my card. Call me if something comes up.
Okay.
We'll be on our way. Good day.
Okay.
Thank you. Be on our way. Manager. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. To Caesar's place.
Caesar's place?
Yes. I think he's got something for us.
Okay, let's find out.
Hi, how are you? Oh my god, you look so good. Oh my god, Larry, look at you. Look, Empress is fine, she's doing well. We are sorry. I'm particularly very sorry. I'm sorry about the death of Vivian. It's a big loss to us. You don't know how pained I am. Even Elizabeth, your sister, I'm sorry. They shouldn't have died. I don't know, it's just crazy. I can't imagine.
Mira, what is wrong with you? See, Larry, please, sorry for the embarrassment, okay?
Is she okay?
Yeah, she is. She'll be alright.
She's acting a little worried. You better take care of her.
Mira, seriously, I don't understand you anymore. You've been behaving strangely after Vivian's death. We all are grieved, yes, but I don't understand why you're letting it get down on you the way you were doing.
I'm sorry, Empress. I'm sorry. Just a minute. Hello? Yes, Daddy? Now? Okay, we'll be there in a bit. Alright, bye. Daddy wants us home now.
Okay, then let's go.
Mirabel, do you know this young lady over there?
Did you hear what I just told you? Good. What did I tell you is a target? No, here, take it. This is what you're putting in. Whatever thing you're doing to save her. Do you get it? Here, 50,000 naira. I'll give you some more when the deal is done. Do you understand? Please make no mistakes. I beg of you, be careful. Please, be careful, eh? Take your own.
Mira, why? Why?
Daddy, I'm sorry.
Miss Mirabel Graham, you are under arrest for the murder of Miss Vivian Okoso. Officer, take her away.
Daddy,
please take her away.
Please don't let them take me away.
Mr. Graham, good day.
Chief, in your daughter's confession, she said her reason for killing her friend is because of a young male student by the name Lauri, who she fell in love with. And because he did not reciprocate the love, she saw every girl around him as the reason for his indifference towards her. She also confessed that before now, she unintentionally killed the young man's younger sister in a party, thinking that she was his girlfriend.
What?
Chief, you won't believe this. Her friends, Empress and late Vivian, were all witnesses to this crime. So as it is, Empress will be arrested, detained, and charged for complicity.
Empress has gone back to her parents in Port Harcourt.
We have unleashed our dragnet. There is no hiding place for her. We will fish her out wherever she is.
Officer.
Yes.
Please, can I just see my daughter?
All right. Corporal! Yes. Bring Miss Mirabel in. Immediately.
Oh, God.
I'm sorry, Daddy. I don't know what's going on me. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Excuse
Now that this case is in your court, obviously it's going to be the first case you'll be presiding over as a judge. The pertinent question I want to ask you is, will you condemn your own daughter? Will you allow them kill her, your own blood? It's true that what she did was wrong, to to have killed a fellow human being. But as parents, we owe her the responsibility of protecting her in the face of such hostility. We shouldn't be the ones to cast the first stone. Besides, Mirabelle, I still see her as that baby of yesterday.
Please, don't go there. Not again. It's this same statement of yours and your permissiveness that has landed us in this mess now.
Favor, are you insinuating that...
Of course you were. You were, and you know it. What kind of woman were you expecting her to grow into? When you made her believe she can get whatever she desires? When you made her see anybody that tries to correct her as her enemy? Honey, you never allowed us to protect her when we had the opportunity. It's true, I'm the presiding judge. But I cannot change the law of the land. No. The law is above every individual, including the judge. Mirabelle. Mirabelle, why did you do this to me at this time? Why? It is the wish of every parent to see his or her world grow into a better citizen that will contribute meaningfully to the well-being of our society. But nowadays, our children in institutions of higher learning tend to disagree with this great objective. Rather, they see their being there as an opportunity to practice all forms of social vices, such as cultism, prostitution, and so on and so forth. The case at hand is an example of such, where a young girl has virtually turned herself into a serial killer just because of her uncontrolled emotional feelings for a man, which culminated into jealousy and passion to kill. This is my judgment. The accused, Miss Mirabelle Graham, having pleaded guilty to all charges leveled against her, is hereby sentenced to life imprisonment. Alongside Miss Helen Ojukwu, Miss Empress Odo, in the same vein, is hereby sentenced to 18 months imprisonment for not reporting the killing of Miss Elizabeth Ajayi, a crime she witnessed, to the police. She is also accessory to murder. Arise.
Court!
If only I saw that I was wrong and changed my mind, I wouldn't have now a reason to say I'm sorry for all that I've done. If only I listened to the things Mama said. I am young and beautiful. I had all I ever want. I had all it takes for one to be satisfied. I can't believe thrown what I have into the sea. Now here I am saying I'm sorry. I can't